students, now I'm going to start question number 1 of exercise 9.4. Now in question number 1 we have multiply the binomials. Here in the first part we have 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. Here these two are binomials because in this two expression we have two terms, 1, 2. Here in this expression also we have two terms, so this is said to be binomials. Now how to multiply the binomials? So here we will multiply the binomials. So 2x plus 5 will be multiplied by 4x minus 3. Now how to multiply the binomials? Here first term of the first expression, this is the first expression. So from the first expression we will just take the first term and that to be multiplied by the second term, okay, which is 4x minus 3. Then we will write the next term of the first expression. With the sign we will have to take, here 5 is having plus sign, so we will take plus 5 and then multiplied by the whole expression, means the second expression. So what we have done, we have taken the first expression, we have taken the first term of the first expression which is 2x, and this should be multiplied by the second expression which is 4x minus 3, and then we will take the second term of the first expression with the sign. So that's why we have written plus 5 here, and this should be multiplied by the second term, second expression, okay. Now, so here 2x multiplied by 4x, 2x multiplied by 4x. So at first we will multiply the number, 2 4s are 8. Now here x is 1, here also 1, so it's 2. So power of x will be 2. Now minus, now 2x will be multiplied by the second term. So 3 2s are 6 and 1x is there, so it's 6x. So it's over. Now coming to next part. The next part we have 5 multiplied by 4x. So 5 4s are 20. Okay, and with this we have plus sign, so we'll put 20, and x is only 1, so we'll write 20x. Then we have minus sign, then 5 to be multiplied by the second term. So 5 3s are 15. Now we'll check if there is any like term, we'll just simplify it, we'll have to solve it. So here x square term is not present, so it will remain same. Okay, now these and these are like term because in both the term x is present. Now plus minus minus. So 20 minus 6 is 14. And since 20 is greater than 6 and sign of 20 is plus, so we will have to put plus sign here. So it will be plus 14x and minus 15 will remain same. So answer of the first part will be 8x square plus 14x minus 15. Now coming to second part. Here we will have to multiply y minus 8 to 3y minus 4. So the step for multiplying the binomial is we will take the first term of the first expression which is y, and this should be multiplied by the second expression which is 3y minus 4. Now we will take the second term of the first expression which is 8, and 8 is having negative sign, so we will put minus 8, and then we will have to write the second expression again which is 3y minus 4. Now we will multiply. Now 3 and y into y, there is 2y, so it will be y square. Now minus sign, now y should be multiplied by the second term, so it will be 4y. Now here minus 8 to be multiplied by 3y, so 8 3s are 24, and since 8 is having negatives, it's minus 24, and y is present only one time, so it's minus 24y. And then 8 should be multiplied by 4. Now 8 4s are 32, and minus minus will become plus. Okay, now we'll check the like term here. So 3y square will remain same as there is no like term present. Now we can calculate this too, because these two are like term. So minus minus plus, but the sign will be minus, So 24 plus 4 is 28 and y will remain same, then plus 32. Okay, so answer of the second part will be 3y square minus 28y plus 32. Okay, now coming to third part. Now in the third part we have 2.5L minus 0.5M will be multiplied by 2.5L plus 0.5M. So here we will take the first term, which is 2.5L. From the first expression we will take the first term, and this should be multiplied by the second expression, which is 2.5L plus 0.5L. Now we'll take the second term with the sign. Minus sign is there, so minus 0.5M, and this should be multiplied by the second expression, which is 2.5L plus 0.5M. Okay. Now 2.5L to be multiplied by 2.5L. So 2.5 into 2.5. If you ignore the point, it will become 25 into 25. So when we will multiply this, we will get 625. Okay. Now we will have to put the point. So 1, 2. We'll just count the places. Which is right of the decimal. Okay. Which is 1, 2. So 1, 2. Here we will have to put the decimal. So 6.25. Now L into L. Here is 1L and here is 1L. So it will become L square. Now plus sign. Now 2.5L to be multiplied by 0.5. Okay. 2.5L multiplied by 0.5M. Now if you ignore the point, it will become 25 and 5. 25 will be multiplied by 5. So 25 5s are 125. Okay, 125. Now again we will while putting the decimal, we'll just check how many places are there right of the decimal. So it's 1, 2. So from the right side we will count the number of places. So 1, 2. So it will be 1.5 LM. Okay. So we'll write this 1.25 LM. Now minus 0.5M to be multiplied by 2.5L. So again 2.5 will be multiplied by 0.5 will be 1.25. But since with 0.5 minus sign is there, so here will be minus 1.25 LM. And 0.5M to be multiplied by 0.5. So 0.5M multiplied by 0.5M. So 5 5s are 25. So we'll put the decimal 1, 2. So 1, 2. Here will be the decimal. So it's 0.25 M square. M into M, M square. Okay, so here we'll write, since with 0.5 minus sign is there, so it's minus 0.25 M square. Okay. Now here 6.25 L square will remain same. Why? Because there is no L square present. But here LM, here also LM. So this is like term and the same value opposite sign. So if you subtract 1.25 from 1.25, you will get 0, right? So what will remain here? Minus 0.25 M square. So answer of the third part will be 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. Now coming to fourth part. In the fourth part we have a plus 3b will be multiplied by x plus 5. So we'll take the first term again from the first expression and this to be multiplied by the second expression. Now we'll take the second term of the first expression, which is 3b, will be multiplied by the second expression, which is x plus 5. Now a into x, ax, plus 5 into a is 5a, plus 3b into x is 3bx, plus 3b into 5 is 3 5s are 15 and 1 b is there, so it's p. Okay, now here ax term is present, here a, here bx and here b. So all are unlike term here. So we cannot calculate, we cannot simplify further. So the answer of the fourth part will be ax plus 5a plus 3bx plus 15b. Okay, now coming to fifth part. Now in the fifth part we have 2pq plus 3q square will be multiplied by 3pq minus 2q square. So we'll take the first term of the first expression, which is 2pq, and will be multiplied by the second expression, which is 3pq minus 2q square. Okay, now we will take the second term of the first expression, which is 3q square, and with 3q square as plus sign is given, so we'll write plus 3q square, and this should be multiplied by the second expression, which is 3pq minus 2q square. Okay, now we will multiply this. So 2pq multiplied by 3pq. First we will multiply the coefficient. So 2 into 3 is 6. P into p. 2p is there, so it's p square. Q into q, so 2q means q square, minus 2pq multiplied by 2q square. So 2 into 2, 4. Now p is only one time, so it's p, and q here is 1 and here is 2, so it will be q. Okay, now plus 3q square multiplied by 3pq. So plus 3 into 3, 9, and here p is given only one time, so p, and q is given here 2 and here is 1, so it will be 3. Okay, now 3q square will be multiplied by 2q square, so 3 into 2, 6. Now here plus minus minus. Okay, and how many time q is present? Here is 2 and here is 2, so it's 4 time, so q to the power 4. Now p square q square term is not present, so this is unlike term, it will remain same, and here is pq cube and here is pq cube, so like term is present, so we will calculate this too. So plus minus minus, so 9 minus 4 is 5, and since 9 is greater than 4 and the sign of 9 is positive, so it will be plus 5, and variable part will remain same, which is pq, and then we have minus 6q to the power 4. So answer of the fifth part is 6p square q square plus 5pqq minus 6q to the power 4. Okay, now coming to sixth part. In the sixth part we have 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square will be multiplied by 4 a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Now here this is monomial and this is binomial, so we will multiply this to get the binomial. Okay, so 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square, and here if you multiply this we'll get 4a square. Now 4 into 2 by 3 b square. So 4, if you multiply the coefficient 4 into 2 by 3, what will you get here? 3 and 4 cannot be cancelled, so 4 will just multiply the numerator. 4 2s are 8, and in the denominator we have 3, so it's 8 by 3 b square. Now we will multiply the binomial with the binomial. Okay, so we'll take the first term of the first expression, which is 3 by 4 a square, and this will be multiplied by the second expression, which is 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Now we'll take the second term of the first expression, which is 3b square, and this will be multiplied by the second expression, which is 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Okay, now 3 by 4 multiplied by 4, we'll just multiply the number at first. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 4, 4 cancels, we'll have 3. Okay, we'll have 3. Now here a is 2 and here also 2 a's is there. So 2 plus 2, 4. So it will be 3a to the power 4. Then we have minus sign. Now 3 by 4 multiplied by 8 by 3. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 8 by 3. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 3 and 3 is cancelled, so it's 2. If you multiply 3 by 4 to 8 by 3, we'll get 2. And then here we have a square and here we have b square. So it's 2a square b square. Now plus 3b square multiplied by 4a square. So 3 4s are 12, and b square into a square means a square b square. It's same, b square a square or a square b square is same. Now plus minus minus. So 3 multiplied by 8 by 3. 3 multiplied by 8 by 3. So 3 3 cancel. We will get 8. So 8. Now b, here is b2, 2b is there, and here 2b is there. So it will be 2 plus 2, 4. Minus a, b, 8 b to the power 4. Now a to the power 4 is not present here, so it will remain same. Now here is a square and here is also a square, so it's like term, so we'll calculate this too. So plus minus minus, so 12 minus 2 is 10, and since 12 is greater than 2 and the sign of 12 is positive, so it will be plus 10. Now variable part will remain same, which is a square b square, and then we have b to the power 4 is not present here. This term is not present here, so it will remain same. So it's minus 8 b to the power 4. So answer of the last part will be 3a to the power 4 plus 10a square b square minus 8b to the power 4. Okay. So this way we will have to multiply the binomials with the binomials. Okay. Thank you, students.